Well, you may not see much, but there we go. There's some branches. We lost our our pole off the tree. That was our flag. And then there's one that stuck right out of the ground. Then we got another branch. There used to be a trailer there. We heard a lot of clunking earlier. And all this stuff came down. I don't know if any trees came down, but that first bout we had a few days back, we had a tree come down at the front where the lake is. Well, this is a lovely day for a daydream. And guess what? We got a rain shower.